Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and I'm here to talk about several things today. Starting off with summer vacation. This is going to be my last video until September, so I'll see you all again in September. But much like last year, I think I'm going to take the summer off. Not really off. I've got other projects I'm working on. But I'm going to take a little time off too because it's been a really busy year. So I wanted to catch you up with what has been going on with me. And I also have a really special offer for everybody. So stay to the end of this quick video because we're repeating last year's great offer that so many of you I know got a lot out of. So what's been going on with me? I've been really busy. I wrote a new book. It has nothing to do with cannabis, but I'll share it with you really quickly. Anyway, this is Moving to Mexico the Easy Way. It's all about moving to northern Baja if you've been considering leaving the country, wanting to move out of the country. Northern Baja is an area that doesn't get a lot of attention in the press, but it's probably the easiest and least expensive way to become an expat. You can drive there, and I did that about 8 years or so ago. I live part-time there now in Mexico, and it's really amazing. I'll put a link below if you want more information on that. I also started a new publishing company, Trippy Living Media, and our first projects are stoner coloring books. That's right. Adult coloring books are huge right now because they're so stress relieving, calming. It's a fun hobby that relieves stress. So, what better way to relieve stress but than combining that with cannabis? So, Trippy Living did that. We have and Mitch, would you put up some slides so people can see some of the interior pages on these books? We have Pretty Trippy Groovy Stoner Coloring Book. This one has a nostalgic 60s vibe, all kind of trippy pictures in there. Mitch is going to show the interior. And we also have Buzzy Fuzzy Animals, and these are some cheeky, cute little stoner animals getting their green on, smoking weed, making edibles, things like that. These are really fun just to relieve stress on your own or to get together with friends and stoner coloring books, and look for other fun and kind of avant-garde titles coming up in the future from Trippy Living Media. So I've been really busy this year. I'm ready for a summer vacation. But as I promised, I have a special offer for you. And we did this last year and it was so popular that we decided to repeat it again this year. And that is 50% off, a whopping 50% off any of my courses, online courses at Cannabis.com. So all you have to do to get this offer is enter the coupon code Summer School and you will get 50% off of any and all courses. That includes my comprehensive edibles course that teaches you everything about cannabis cooking so you can make all kind of edibles. I also have a separate gummies course because gummies are pretty complicated and they're kind of their own beast. So I did a separate course just on making perfect gummies. So if you've ever had trouble with gummies before, this is going to help you make perfect cannabis gummies. And I also have an easy cannabis topicals course where teaches you how to make moisturizing creams and body butters and salves and lip balms and sunscreens and all kind of topical products. And this is about the only time we ever do these kind of sales, and this is a huge sale, 50% off. Use that coupon code Summer School at Cannabis.com. I'll put a link below. We had a great response to this when we did this last summer. People loved going to summer school, and this is the most fun summer school you'll ever have. And I got letters later and emails, not letters, but emails from people that said basically after taking these courses, their holiday shopping was done because they made topicals and edibles for their friends, and they were very popular afterwards. It also gives you the power to harness the power of your cannabis and take it under your control, make edibles that are the right dosage and the right strains for you. Same with topicals to treat pain like arthritis and sprains and all kind of conditions. So check out those links below. I want to wish everybody a very happy summer. I know I'm looking forward to summer vacation, and I will see you all in September. Bye bye.